and thank you for choosing the Caleffi 5453 Dirtmag magnetic dirt separator. This quick installation tips video will give you a general overview on what you need to know to get started with the installation of your magnetic dirt separator. One of the first things that you should notice when you open the box is going to be a set of installation instructions. Be sure to read them because they will go over everything you need to know about the installation of your product. The unique 5453 series Dirtmag has a composite polymer body along with a brass connection assembly. It is available in 3/4 inch and 1 inch sizes with sweat, NPT, or press connections. Some models even include isolation valves. The Dirtmag does require some assembly, so let's go over that. First, you'll take the body of your Dirtmag along with the EPDM sealing washer. You'll use that sealing washer there to make your connection between the body of the Dirtmag and the brass connection assembly. It doesn't require a lot of force to make a good seal, but we do include a wrench to get a good snug fit on that brass connection assembly. That wrench is also used on the top cap should you ever need to pull it apart for any maintenance. At the bottom, you'll notice the purge valve is open, but we've included a captive cap to cover that up. So you can install that guy. That captive cap also doubles as a tool to open the purge valve. We've also included a small barb fitting should you want to connect any type of a flexible vinyl hose to the bottom of the unit for fast and easy purging. Then from there, you'll notice that we've included 2 green fiber sealing washers, one for the top and one for the bottom, and these allow you to make the connections from your brass connection piece to your tail pieces, whichever ones your model came with. The Dirtmag is incredibly effective at removing dirt and magnetic particles from your hydronic heating and cooling systems. By removing these impurities, you're going to help keep your system running at peak efficiency as well as maximizing the life expectancy out of all your system components. Before we get started with the installation of your product, let's go over how they work. Your fluid's going to flow through your pipes and into the body of the Dirtmag, at which point the velocity will slow and any debris, dirt, or magnetic particles will hit the coalescing element inside and deflect towards the bottom, at which point you can remove any debris using the purge valve. So as you can tell, gravity plays a pretty large role in removal of debris from your system with the Dirtmag. So you're going to want to make sure that the body of the Dirtmag is installed in a vertical position at all times. But one very unique feature about the Dirtmag is that the brass connection assembly can actually be rotated to provide a horizontal piping connection as opposed to a vertical piping connection. One very important note though is that there is going to be a flow arrow on the brass connection assembly, so make sure that your fluid in your system follows that flow arrow. The most ideal place to install your Dirtmag is going to be on the return piping close to your heating or cooling source. This is where it will provide the best protection for your boiler or your chiller, which is typically the most expensive component in your system. The most important job of the Dirtmag is to separate impurities from your system, like debris and magnetite. And every once in a while you will have to purge these from the Dirtmag. The frequency of that purging is going to depend on how dirty or clean your system is. To do that, pretty straightforward, what you're going to want to do is remove the magnet from the body of the Dirtmag, which just unclips and hangs down, and then you can take the cap off the bottom of the purge valve and use that as the tool to open up the purge valve for purging. Once the fluid flows clear from the actual purge valve, you can close it back off again and you're all set. The Dirtmag with the built-in isolation valves also has another very unique feature. It has the ability to become a dosing point for your system to add any water treatment or chemicals. In order to do that, what you're going to want to do is close off the isolation valves coming in and out of the Dirtmag, and then you'll open the purge valve at the bottom of the Dirtmag, at which point you'll drain all the fluid from the Dirtmag and you'll close the purge valve. Then you'll notice that there is a cap at the top of the Dirtmag. You can remove that cap with a crescent wrench and then add in your chemicals or water treatment to the top of the Dirtmag. You'll put the cap back on, and then you're going to want to open your isolation valves. And back at that cap you'll notice a slot for a flat-headed screwdriver. This allows you to purge any air out of your system or out of the Dirtmag before you start your system back up again. And then you're ready to go. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any other questions, make sure to contact your wholesaler, your rep, or us directly. And thanks for watching.